keeping wheel, and welcome aboard again. I forgot to put my microphone on, so I'm hoping you hear me. I'm fishing at Newburgh today, and I'm not far from a colony of seals. There I was just to the north side of me. I've came further south for them, and I've shot one road out just now. There is a couple of seals now outside of me here, and maybe just leave it for 10 minutes or quarter an hour or so. Yeah, walking further south towards Aberdeen, see if I can get a wee bit further away from the seals. Tide's getting back. Came here at 6 o'clock this morning. The high water was 4:15. It's a big tide at the moment. There's not much motion, it's light winds, and the winds are coming off along. But it is raining. Forecast of rain right up until this afternoon. It's not heavy rain at the moment, so hopefully it'll be that way. Using mackerel for bait again. Wee strippies of mackerel and cubes. Salted mackerel, my favourite bait. That's the hooks up on today, and as you can see there's bait missing already. Right, I'm going to want to make a shift a wee bit further south. Right, and I got my casting glove with me today, so I'm going to have a sore finger. I'm just checking the clarity of the water. It's not clear enough for my fishing camera. Filming for me. Very nice one. I didn't see any seals here. I've came further south to try and get away from them a bit. See, the trouble is, I was wanting to fish this bit of the beach, but I've been looking at Google Maps and there's no roads close enough. The only bit close enough is that bit for the seals is. I've tried bitties, and there's a couple of ferums where roads actually going down to the beach, but there's no entry signs and all that kind of stuff. So I didn't want to upset folk. But we're here now anyway. Long walk, like a long walk to get away from the seals. Right, that's the first road out here. I'll go on set up the next thing. I like good things. Right. What's a shallow beach, yeah? There's no seals in front of me at this bit. It looks like we're well clear of them now. The bait is actually getting picked at, and I'm thinking it's maybe wee crabs because the bells have been ringing. Still raining. In to shelter the camera all the time. I'm gonna want to hear a move at the There's Phil, look. Carrying my books I doing to me.
There you go.
My caddy.
Delivery service.
Aye. There are these things. Is it worth putting this thing up? Can we sit inside it there?
We'll have to see. What do you think?
Have you done any things before?
Well, I've done a bit of camping, but I never put one of those up before.
Yeah, either have I.
No.
Never ever used a bivvy fishing. I see a lot of folk doing south uses it.
Yeah.
Doing in England and that.
But they don't quite get the wind that we do they?
Oh.
It'll be off down the beach.
They're kite. Well, we get a go. It'd be easy to carry that up with it.
Yeah, yeah.
Could sit in the and have our tea. What I try and set up is, this could be a bit of a laugh for you, because I've never set any of these things up before. And this is, I think it's an Aldi's setup is.
Yeah.
My wife got it for Aldi. Maybe it's not even big enough for one, never mind two. We'll soon find out. Oh, instructions, look.
Step 1. Do your poles together. Step 2. Put it inside something, I think it is. Oh, there it is. Right, so the big loop goes over there, look.
Okay.
Let's try it. It'll never fit back in this bag again.
No.
That's the first time.
Yeah.
Never going back in there.
It's usually if it happens. I'm glad we've seen it.
How about that? I tell you what, we're getting right soft in our old age. Oh, and the lucky dip bag.
The lucky dip bag. Yes. Hey, this is rare, that's like.
And I've got my foot warmers on.
That puts you. We didn't need the guidelines, do we? Because we'll be shifting quick, you see. I think I'll get some sandbags. Just
hold it down.
Aye.
It's perfect, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, this is rare, actually. It just stops the wind.
I'm glad I stayed now.
Aye. This has cheered this up.
Yeah, I've cheered this up. That's funny doing that.
Yeah. Right.
The rain is torrential, so I ran back to the camper van with Dee, put her in the camper van.
Aye.
I went back, found most of my gear, put that in the camper van, went back, found this umbrella wrapped around the fence somewhere else, picked that up, gets back to the camper van. I thought, right, I think we'll have the heater on, so gets the heater on, engine running. Thought, right, we'll go back to the mother-in-law's. Gets my phone out to do my sat-nav on it.
Yep.
Phone's soaked. That won't go on.
Oh man.
And I'm in the middle of nowhere, not sure where it's supposed to go.
Right. It's just typical, is it?
This is perfect.
Mhm.
Because you know, if it does get rough and the wind picks it up and shreds it, well, it's not a big loss, is it?
Mhm.
There's a wave out there. Look, as if there's a reef out there.
Aye. We're not bought this bit, but there's a seal out here. Just the one seal. Thought I seen in that way, you know. But I did hear, maybe imagination, did you hear a bell ringing earlier on?
I thought I did. Yeah,
Couple of wee
I
pings.
did. And we can't blame that on the wind today, can we?
No, there's no lot of wind. All these, my wife bought this for all these. And it's just ideal, as long as there's no lot of wind, I suppose.
So if oldies are looking for a promotion deal, or you know, what do they call it? A marketing something partnership? Do they call it on YouTube? Get in touch with Fish and Things.
I could be my new jacket.
Yes, yeah, new jacket. You've got your oldie waders on.
If there's any marketing things out there, I could be my new jacket.
We have to set up some crowdfunding for you.
Yeah, that's true. Right, I'll on. Switch this off. Get my camera in. Yeah. I've really good seats. Sometimes if you touch something, it stops recording and goes on to some other kind of shit. It's, I better cut that out. Right, one York is seen in. I'll get a wee tick in first, just to see if there's anything sitting on it, because when we was setting up our tent, there was as much hilarity with that. We did think we heard a couple of pings for the bale. No, nothing. A distance since we shot it. Nothing. Nothing at all. Bait, most of the bait is missing. Fuck, it's all missing. Heel lot. Yeah. Oh well, rebait it, get it back out. Must be wee crabs out there, I'm thinking. Hey! Yeah, beauty! How are you, dub? Right, I'm off the blank! Off the blank! Yay! I'm just chuffed to be off a blank. I see all the baits missing again.
Yeah.
Just a wee hand for you. Good. Look at that. What a bonny wee critter. Kissy and get him back. Come on, Paul. Yes! Yay!
Biggest roar for the smallest fish.
For the smallest fish. Well, off of the blank, and that's the main thing. I'm fair chuffed to get a fish.
Brilliant stuff.
Right, all the bait's missing again. I'm assuming there's heaps of wee crabs out there. So, one rebait it and get it back out again. Right, we were sitting up in our hutty a while up here. It was a good ring of the bale for this road here. But it was just one big rattle and it stopped. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to want to tack in the line a wee bitty while Phil films the bales, just to see if there's a fluggy sitting on it and he'll maybe start ringing him again. Go on, fishy. Snake at the ring list.
You gonna wind him in and check him? Or let it develop? Do we let it develop or wind it in?
Oh, yeah, I'll maybe wind it down and freshen the bait anyway, because the bait has been gone missing off a quick. I think it's wee crabs. That was definitely a fish. It's a good rattle.
Yeah.
And we heard it a while up here. Right. We'll wind it in and here looky. Now if you didn't have bales on, you wouldn't have came, especially that distance away. You'd have to be staring at that pint that road all the time. The water here is half a full water. Come on, fishy, fishy. Oh, it's a crabist.
It is. It's a crab.
Ah. Oh, well, we can do fits it in a bit.
Well, we know who's guilty, don't we?
Aye. Oh, but that's near if it rattled the bales. Look, he's just holding on to it. He's not even hooked, he's just holding on to it. Oh, my.
back.
He's ready for action. Obviously, that's what's eating out of bait. I wasn't expecting grindies in the beach here.
No.
Usually you get them near the rocks. We'll freshen this up, get back out, and give us a lot of wee kissy, and get him back, him or her. But it's a hare actually. See the pooch? A wide pooch. See the width of that? It's a she. So we'll get her back. Get you back. Then are you taking back eating my bait again. There you go. Must be a lot of that wee crabs out there. Come on, fishy. A flock we're needing now. No, nothing. And the baits are going. I'm just taking my time with this in case get a fluke chasing it in the way in. Maybe hooky in the way in. Mind you, they're not getting to see it. The water's off a fool. Come on, fishy. Hey, a fluke! It's another daubist. Oh, and a crab and another crab. Look at that. And just catch him. He isn't swallowing the hook either, look. We'll get him back quick. Another beautiful wee daub. Around about the same size as last one. Maybe slightly bigger. But just a smaller again. Kissy, get him back. Come on. Right, we'll get this grindy off now. Another grindy. Is the hook catched him or is he just holding on to it? Now, I was going to say that's the same crab as the last time, but it's not. This is actually a male this time, look. See the female the last time had a big round pooch here. And this one's got a more what painted in smaller or narrower. Plus this one's just got the one claw. So I'm really surprised seeing this grindies in the middle of a beach. It's a great long beach. That's things you usually see around about the rocks and it. Strange. Right, kissy, and get him back. So keep clear of my bait the next time. Right, rebait it, get back with.
Definitely doing the ring on that one.
You know what I mean? But it stopped ringing since the camera got on as usual. Aye, aye.
Get it?
Aye, are we ring? Look!
Yeah.
Come on! It must be on this time.
That's it, the side.
Alright, well, you made me haul it down that last time. See? And I lost my fish.
Yes, but you'd lost some baits as well. If you hadn't done that, you'd been fishing blank hooks.
Come on, fishy. But I want to get marooned. We're doomed. Aye. Feel like creeping in quick, eh? I found on the beach. A beautiful little fishy. I'm not sure if it is. Not sure if it's a wee fighting or juvenile trout or something. I've also got a wee shrimp. Look at that. So it shows you there's a lot of feeding in this beach. I'm going to stick this on the hooks. Never sure. They'll maybe catch something. Anyway, I've shifted this in further up. Tide's racing in, I know. I want to grab it in before it's drowned. Get out further up and all. I'll keep it for baiting. And then we'll hit a shift for bivvy. The water will be up that bivvy before long. Before we can it. My clout's getting wet. Yeah, that's come in quick, eh? Feels like there's something on you, Ken. Yeah! Yeah, beauty! Hey! Another toadobs! Yay!
I told you to let it develop.
Aye. Look at the eyes on this fish. Almost like a green. I don't know if it'll focus close up. Aye. They're absolutely beautiful. Like an emerald kind of. Right. Bony wee fluggies. And I'm fair chuff for them. You see? And get them back. Come on. There you go. There you go. That's Phil, sit where we tinty up again. He's saying he's staying, I'm going to what he might do. I'll just let you see if it's happening now down here. That's the roads I want down here. Then again, vessel. Let you see them with GoPro because they're high now. It's on that high sandbank. Now, as you can see, this water is going to come right through the back of it. And I'll be marooned. It's going to be marooned. So, as it's coming back, as it starts getting the back here, I'm going to cast my roads into this bit that's filling up. Because we're thinking this could be a good bit for fish getting until it's a bit lower, you see. That's the plan anyway. But if we get on here now, then again. One him a tea.
I've got a nice cheese sandwich.
Cheese there, it's usually peanut butter and banana, isn't it?
That's breakfast.
Oh, it's
You're getting everything mixed up, yo.
That's your breakfast, the peanut butter.
I had peanut butter and banana for breakfast.
In the banana. Yeah, this is lovely, isn't it? Wind's dropping at one on it. The rain's stupid, I know. Whether it bites like that or no. Oh, I didn't again. Now, Phil. This is rare, is it?
It's alright, isn't it? Yeah.
Great stuff.
Just need 3 rods out there, 3 rods out there.
Aye.
All on bite alarm, something to have a snooze in.
Aye. And here's somebody running back and forth, rebeating him. Like a coddy.
Or is it a gilly?
Oh, a gilly, yes, do I? I'm not supposed, you see, I've never seen a gilly.
No, right. Quite a bit of birds diving out there as well.
Isn't it funny how we're just getting daubs today? Strangely. I'm going to haul this to our roads and take them right up and into this bit now, because as you can see in front of us here, tide's coming in fast. It's getting deep here, is she? It's a fine deep bed here now. For the fishies to come in dan. It's a theory, anyway. Oh, it's just rare.
Hard life fishing, isn't it?
Oh, it's a hard life fishing. Right. Hey, fit. Thank you very much, Susan, for buying us thingy.
It's perfect, isn't it?
Aye, I'm sure it was all these.
Keeps the rain off,
Aye.
keeps the sun off.
I wasn't expecting it to be so big.
Perfect.
Aye.
Quite mobile on the beach, isn't it?
Aye. Oh, aye. Just 4 pegs and you just lift it up and you're away.
You're off. These birds are still diving us.
Aye, out here, terns. They seem to be in as bitty.
Yeah. Just where you're fishing.
Aye. The bells are not ringing, huh? Just let me in if a bell rings. Walking me up. We've been doing a bit of beach combing and check all this cuttlefish out. Heaps of them. All the way being a beach. Check that out. Beautiful cuttlefish. Even got a flounder dried up in the sun. I like a bit of beach combing. Some bonny sticks not being here. Phil's got his silver walking stick, look.
Look at that. Got a thumb in there.
You're going to be a farmer now, are you?
Yeah. Get off my land.
You get some sheep or something.
Go back from where you came.
You can hear a sheepdog if you want. You can hear floss.
A sheepdog, yeah. I could do with a sheepdog.
I'll give you floss.
She'll be handful.
No, Phil.
You've been a dab hand today.
Been a dab hand, today. It's 4 dabs, was it?
4 dabs, I think it had, yeah.
4 dabs and 2 grindies. It was the grindies, was it John or the bait?
That was, I think it was, yeah. This morning we were loosing the baits, weren't we?
Aye.
And then this afternoon,
wasn't getting nothing.
No, nothing's going on, is it? No. You might want to cut that out.
But it turned, look at the afternoon, look what it's done,
a lovely
dude.
day.
Beautiful day. But the water's rather full. a really full water.
Yeah.
You can't see even half an inch through the water. It's just like soup. So I think that's part of our problem today.
Yeah.
I mean, we've got bony beads and that and floats on.
Good
But-
bait.
Good bait.
Black lug.
Black log,
Yeah.
salted mackerel. But I mean, the fish, when I see that beads,
No.
you just as well with bare hooks and a bait in a day like this with that kind of water.
Yeah.
But we proved you can't catch fish.
You can catch fish.
Well, that seal's gonna about thousands of seals. Oh man, oh, there was a while.
Yeah.
There was about 20 seals on about the line. But they come further south. But this is a bit of beach, as I was saying earlier on. I wanted to try anyway, but there's no way of getting down to this part of the beach apart from coming down that way for the seal sanctuary is. Okay? Anyway,
Anyway.
having a great day as usual.
Yep.
Sitting in where Lidl's, where
Bivvy.
Lidl's, no,
Oh, Aldi.
Aldi's, where Aldi's bivvy thing, fair trick with.
Kept the rain off us.
Kept the rain off us, just been magic sitting that and listening out for the bales. On that note, it's
Tight lines for me, tail wagging D.
and take care of die and I'll catch you after for me.
See ya.
It's hide the keyring time and that's for I've hidden it. Doing it to fit that post and about that post and underneath the sun where it is a seal sanctuary lookout biddy. FL at Newburgh. You'll see the sign over here. Welcome to Newburgh. And the keyring is up in that nuke and about that post doing it to fit. Whoever finds a keyring, mind and put a comment underneath this video letting us know that you got it and it lets everybody else know need to come looking for it because somebody's already gotten it. Good luck with that in. Check our seals. Look at that. They're all watching us.